Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to count the number of rows and columns on Excel sheet using Python. So let's start the tutorial. And the command is py count rows columns excel.py, my file name.py, enter. And notice here I got the rows are 5 and columns are 3. Let's check again here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a Python-tutorials, and here it is. Our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now, in this folder, I will create one new Python file called count rows and columns excel.py, and here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now, my aim is how to count the number of rows and columns in an Excel sheet using Python. So first, when you are dealing with Python, we need to import OpenPyXL. There are many modules available, but here in this example I am using OpenPyXL. Then the next step, I am opening the workbook. Workbook is equals to OpenPyXL dot load workbook. Load workbook takes a parameter. Parameter is a file name. For this example, I am taking the course.xlsx is extension. Then I require the worksheet is equals to workbook.active. After that, now the print the rows ws dot max underscore row. Here we require the comma, and columns are ws dot max underscore column, and this one is a capital. This object is capital. That's it. Now let's save this file. We'll check the output. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's check the final output of our application. But before that, let's open our go to desktop, Python-tutorials folder, and this is a Excel sheet. Now in this course Excel sheet, these are the columns and these are the rows. These are the columns and these are the rows. So let's check the output, and the command is py count rows columns excel.py, my file name.py, enter. And notice here I got the rows are 5 and columns are 3. Let's check again here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to count the number of rows and columns in an Excel sheet using Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share, and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.